Hi guys, today's video will be a recipe video where we will be covering a quick vegetarian recipe which would be high in protein, low calorie, thus perfect for all of you who want to lose weight. And it's very easy to prepare and will hardly take your 5 to 7 minutes. And we'll also discuss what ingredients to use, what not to use, and also how you can convert this into a muscle building or weight gain recipe by just making some small changes. So let's begin. The first crucial ingredient is bread. Now you can pick any brand that you want, but if you want to be specific, we'll recommend choosing the one which contains only whole wheat flour and does not contains maida or refined wheat flour. Do not trust the front label. Always make a habit to study the ingredient label. So if we check the ingredient label, you can see that it does not contains any refined wheat flour or maida. Also, the nutrition label says that it contains almost 9 grams of protein per 100 grams. That's great. And also, it contains almost 6 grams of fiber, which is great again. The next ingredient is the main ingredient of this recipe, that is tofu. Tofu means soy paneer and is a great vegetarian protein source. If you struggle to hit your daily protein intake for the day, being a vegetarian, highly recommend that you add a serving of tofu to your daily diet. It contains almost 15 grams of protein per 100 grams and it is very low in calories, as you can see, 112 calories. And if you do not like the taste of tofu, just try this recipe out and we are sure that you're not going to notice the difference between tofu and regular paneer. Also, if you are someone who's looking to build muscle or who's too skinny, then you can replace tofu with paneer. Paneer, as you can see, is highly caloric dense. It contains approximately 300 calories for 100 grams and 20 grams of protein. So if you're trying to gain weight, then go with paneer. Next important ingredient is cheese slice, and highly recommend that you add this to your recipe because first of all it's going to add more protein, more calcium to your recipe, but also it's going to take the taste of this recipe to the next level. As I said previously that you won't notice the taste of tofu in this recipe. The cheese has a major role to play in that, so don't skip on this. You can go for any cheese slice. I'll be going for the Slim's cheese slice from Britannia as it contains 20 calories less than a regular cheese slice. But if you don't find this one, you can also go with any brand such as Amul or any other brand, as it hardly makes a difference. Next important ingredient of this recipe would be basic vegetables. Now if you do not have time to purchase green lettuce, don't worry, you can also go with basic onions and tomatoes, but make sure you are adding some sort of vegetables to your sandwich. Even basic cucumber will work. This is because this is going to make your meal more filling and will add fiber to your meal as well as micronutrients, which is going to keep you full and thus ideal for weight loss. Next ingredient is sauces. Now sauces is what is going to make you stick to this recipe in the long term, as you can create different varieties of the same recipe by using different sauces each time, such as you can use salsa at once and then the next time you can go with chipotle or any other low calorie sauce. Now to confirm a sauce is low calorie, do not trust the front label. It says it's zero fat, but then they can load it up with sugar. But here you can see the calories is only 80 calories, around 80 calories per 100 gram. Thus it's good to go. Any sauce which is contains less than 100 calories per 100 gram can be used in almost all recipes and it's ideal for weight loss, but make sure you're using it in moderation. That is, do not use more than 20 to 30 grams of sauce for this recipe. And if you're looking to gain weight, feel free to add full fat dressings such as mayonnaise, ranch or Thousand Island instead of these. Now let's put this recipe together. I've already applied 10 to 15 grams of sauce on each slice. I have gone with spicy sauces because I like spicy. You can go with any other low calorie sauce that you wish. Now we'll apply 100 grams of tofu on one slice. Once you have applied your favorite vegetables to the sandwich, do not forget to add your favorite seasoning. This will take the taste again to the next level. This is cat chaat masala, or you can also use, highly recommend to try this one out if you haven't, Maggi magic masala, but I'm going to go with chaat masala this time. We've also added the cheese slice, as you can see, and we're going to put this in the griller. Make sure that your sandwich griller is preheated for a minute or two before you put it inside, and then let it grill for at least 4 to 5 minutes. Once your griller is preheated, make sure to apply some non-stick cooking spray to make your sandwich more crispy, or you can even use a brush to brush some oil or some butter on this. Just brush it, don't overdo it. This might add 10 to 15 calories more to your recipe, but will definitely make your sandwich more crispy. Now we'll grill this sandwich for at least 5 to 6 minutes and then it will be done. The macros would be coming up on your screen. As you can see, it contains around 25 grams of protein, under 350 calories, which makes it ideal for anyone looking to lose weight, especially if you're a vegetarian. And I'll be also putting up some suggestions on and the summary on how you can convert this recipe into a muscle building or a weight gain recipe. So if you like this video, do not forget to give it a like, drop a comment below, and make sure you subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for such future recipes. Thanks for watching.